Alright, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on time zone. So we are back again, a new video reaction. This is a continuation of the video that we made last time here about Nigerian army looking for someone, one of the army, not even someone. They said that he's wanted. They want him, to come and face charges or query. I don't know what they call that in military, But the only thing I want you to understand that his offense is that he complained about the corruption in Nigerian security or Nigerian defense structure and all that. So this man you are seeing here, the one you are seeing here, is also needed as well because of his post and all that. But one thing about him is that he keep on, making it clear to them that he's not afraid of anybody. If you want to look for him, you should come, that kind of thing. He's very well determined to do what he's doing, and he's outspoken. The only thing you need to understand is that not every Nigerian army are corrupt. Some of them mean good, but the problem is the so-called generals and so-called leaders are the one actually, digging this problem out because of tribal bigotry and, trying to protect their own. For example, when they captured, Boko Haram members, the same army chief and army generals will somehow do what they can to reintegrate them back in society and treat them well, pay them, allowances and everything that even the current serving soldiers can't even receive, that kind of thing. And so they're doing that because they are from the same tribe. That's just the fact. But the only thing is that people from the southern part are the one paying for this unity they're talking about, because it's nothing else. Actually, they are focused in their agenda, they focus on what they want, they pretend to have everybody alongside with them, that the Nigerian government, Nigerian army should be one and indivisible. But it seems like some soldiers from the south are not getting the point, because they are not speaking, they are now releasing their own thought and everything. Fearless soldiers. Now some people may say, yeah, but some of them actually buying people in the southern part. Yes, they're doing that, believing that they're doing the right thing. That's where ignorance, come to play. But the only thing is that whether you like it or not, good people still exist. Now, I don't know the real thing that the person did. I don't know his offense. I don't know what he have done. But everything, is about making sure that Nigeria and everything work the way they, in their own brain, in their own reason. They thought that that's how to make it work, that everybody should come together and they'll do the needful. But their counterparts from the north don't do the same thing. You can see that because how can you have a soldier that will travel to Bedugri to defend Nigerian, as they told them that that's the best way to do. Then the person will got injured, and his treatment will be upon his family and himself without having any savings, without having anything. Some of them that died, they gave them mass burial. A soldier. So how can you explain that to people? Now, but if like what soldier said, that if they change, first Boko Haram, kind of changing catapult, bullet and everything, then if they manage to capture some of them alive, they will receive call immediately, because what the soldier said that sometimes this Boko Haram surrender. When they surrender to them, they have to use military engagement like well-trained army by keeping them, by not buying them instanta, because in the military, according to what they said, that the military, once somebody surrender, you cannot fire the person anymore because they have already surrendered. So that's how they captured this Boko Haram, and they will receive a call from headquarters and whatever, telling them they should bring them to so location, hand them over to governor of the state. Governor will now provide a enable environment for them in name of integration, treat them well, pay them salary, clothe them, and pamper them like never before. You understand? And bring them back to military and pay them allowances more than those that fight and capture them. No compensation, nothing whatsoever. So some of them are in hospital looking for someone to pay their bills. But those they captured, that have committed a lot of crime, they will treat them like angels. So I don't want to make the video to be too long, although you already know that we are trying to explain what is going on here. So like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let your comment keep coming, because I want to hear from you as well. Now hear this.
All right, this is a service soldier who was being dismissed unlawfully. I will tell you the reason. Now if I can't talk about officer, some people will be talking, why am I talking to a whole general my foot. Let me tell you the short story. This soldier you are seeing, an ex-soldier you are seeing here, he run a video during the time they deny the CDS. They deny him visa. He now run a video, a message to CDS. What he want go do for Canada? So why can't be say they don't deny in Canada visa now? He can't dey cry. What are the important things we want go do for there? Our problem there for Nigerian army and for inside Nigeria, we never feel some problem of Nigeria. What is that important thing we want go do for Canada? When you can't cry, come as I say they don't deny and visa. I still don't do that video. They go arrest him. Evil army commanders, evil generals. They go arrest him. They give him 3 count charge. One count charge the reason the social media policy why he do him. One not to give him 28 days punishment. The remaining one they use and take the rank am. So which one una come use take dismiss am? Which one una come use take dismiss am? Unlawful dismiss. After those charges, they come send down to 28 days high chair. He can't decide the high chair. After the high chair now, they can't go tell and say, okay, they want to rejab am back. How? You charge person for social media policy. So does he work to dismiss a soldier? Social media policy, is it higher than the crime a Boko Haram commit and kill a lot of soldiers and destroy a pretty military base in Borno in Niger State, and later some of the Boko Haram will be captured and they will give the Boko Haram a rehabilitation, they will train them, they will also give them rifle military machine to the patrol that they are the ones that know where their people is. They should go, they can. This guy in crime past the crime when Boko Haram, when all the whole Boko Haram, one I don't put to army back, one I don't give them another better life. This guy crime, he was past him. So to dismiss soldier, 9 be on mission, commanding officers. To hijack benefit of soldier, 9 be on mission. To molest soldier, 9 be on mission. To sit down on the future of a soldier, 9 be on mission. One officer once said that you soldier, as an other rank of the Nigerian army, you can never make it. That don't you know that whether I don't know say na me na other rank like me, na the generals take they enrich themselves as family. How do you think I am going to make it? Now wait till that officer talk that day. Did the same guy Captain C tell like that as an other rank he can never make it. He tell the officer say as far as say no be that officer born am, he go make am. True now wetin dey happen. The people when they watch this video now, how can a father tell his son that he can never make it? Any father when he tell his son say you no go make am, wetin that one be? Not be bad father. Officers of the Nigerian army are evil. Now me talk am, I know wetin I dey talk. Even the soldiers when they watch this video, they know how far, they know wetin their eye they pass through. How can you become a uniform in your country? Then some few people call the same officer, they are enslaving people's children. You say I should keep quiet, you say I should not talk. Who told you I should not talk? I am ready for you people. Now rehearsal they do. I never start for now. I go soon start for now. So what did this soldier do when he warrant dismiss? For the 3 count I wanna give. Okay, where the one when he come warrant to dismiss this soldier? Unlawful dismiss. Okay, dismiss, is that the important thing to do in the army? Those one when they commit crime in the army, can't you gather them? You gather them, you want to go and open a battalion in the boundary between Nigeria and another country. Form a battalion there. Anyone will make any offense, when violate the law, not dismiss, don't dismiss. Dismissing of soldier is the problem we are also having in the Nigerian army today. Is also the cause of insecurity. Because why? Those one when they dismiss, nobody know where then they go. Nobody know whether they go join the Boko Haram. Nobody know whether they be the head and the chief operation of the bandit one they get for Nigeria today. Because most operation when it does suffer when they destroy military base, now perfect one and sharp one. So therefore, this is to tell you that somebody dismisses soldier, they are among those terrorists. Do you think you dismiss me You finish. You expect me to go back to village to go and be farming? I will go back to terrorists. But as for me, I am from Niger Delta. I'm from South. Even before I joined the army, terrorism is not my calling. I am a freedom fighter before I joined the army. After joining the army, after this time, I decided to go. I'm still a freedom fighter. I cannot go and join terrorists because it's not my calling. Because in my village there is no terrorism. So therefore, they should tell me, the chief of army staff, the chief of the center, you people should tell me the crime, the most crime this soldier commit when we dismiss him for. Make I know whether the crime when he commit, whether he high pass the one when Boko Haram. Although all those ex-Boko Haram, one don't recruit, put for the army again, one don't recruit, they give them rifle for inside Meduguri town. Whether this guy crime high pass them.
Chief of defense staff.
Whether this guy crime, he high pass those people own. One and dismiss this guy for. Then when they call the guy now for a job, una say the guy the mumu. Una say the guy the mumu abi. I want to know if those Boko Haram una don't catch up, una don't do una they do am. Where for Mogonu, Borno State. Now what una they do with that? They don't arrest Boko Haram. Finish. Una don't turn them to say strike force. Don't they give them gun? If Boko Haram never chop food, soldier no go chop for inside that Meduguri. Una come value as Boko Haram pass soldier for inside that Meduguri. Una go they dismiss person unlawfully. Come carry Boko Haram, they put for front, say me soldier they follow. They want go show them Boko Haram then. Up till today, those ex Boko Haram, when una go give them gun, they give them machine, make they follow soldier till they do advance. They never show soldier, they not show army. Any Boko Haram then. They are there. Una see come they pay them again and the same allowance one and they give for Operation Grand 45. Now una see they pay them more than. Now they pay them more allowances more than. Army is taking care of ex Boko Haram in Borno, in Mongonu, Borno. Army they take care of Boko Haram. They catch up Boko Haram. They recruit them again. Give them weapon, give them machine. Whether they follow army and soldiers they do advance. Now better like that, you catch a terrorist, you kill a terrorist. As you kill him, you go learn from the other. But no, Nigerian army go catch up. They'll catch up. They'll carry them, give some governors. Carry them, give some governors, rehabilitate them, give them a better life. Why soldier when he injured, he there for 44, no treatment, nothing. They say make I not talk. Who tell you say I not go talk? I must talk. This is revolution time. We must get that revolution in this Nigeria. We must get the revolution in the army. Stop using soldiers. Stop selling soldiers. You can't go dismiss somebody unlawfully. And you think as you dismiss them, you don't dismiss them, come on for life. Now lie. We are coming for you guys. The generals. We are coming for you. We're not going to fight you now. We are coming for you with this our mouth. We'll tell the Nigerians. There's some government when they don't know what to do. Go tell them the masses go know what they happen. They know the verse of una. They know the attack una. Now see same soldier, now they attack. Una go there for air condition. They from there they use phone, they come and say destroy. When they come destroy finish now, the sins go there for the soldier head. The sins no go there for una head. Stop selling soldiers. Officers of the Nigerian army.